So, Mr. Brown, what other things can you do? Wow! That sounds just like a squeaky shoe. Do you know what letter the word shoe starts with? S, sh, shoe. The letter S. S with the letter H makes a sh sound. Sh, ooh, shoe. Well done. Okay, Mr. Brown, give us another sound. Now what makes that sound? That's right, a rooster. Do you know what letter the word rooster starts with? R, rooster. The letter R. Rooster. Rooster. All right, Mr. Brown. How about one more? Oh! Do you know what makes that sound? An owl. Which letter does the word owl start with? Owl. The letter O. Owl. Owl. Nice work. Now let's try reading together some more about what Mr. Brown can do. Ready? He can go like the rain. Dibble, 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 dop. He can go like a train. Choo, 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 choo. Oh, the wonderful things Mr. Brown can do. Well, wasn't that fun learning how to read? Mr. Brown can do it, and now you can too. Click on the next video if you want to play some more reading games with us. See you soon!